Voiceovers are great for driving your story's narrative and vocalizing your video's key ideas. There are tons of companies and freelancers out there that have the ability to create a great voiceover for you. But if you decide to do it yourself, here are some helpful tips to get the best audio quality. Hi, I'm here with AJI and my name is Desiree. If you're recording your own voiceover, the first thing you should focus on is the equipment you will be using. A pop filter for your mic is essential. Regardless of how great your voice sounds, pops and hissing noises will make your audio unusable. Make sure to listen back to your audio with good quality headphones that will allow you to hear all of the imperfections. This will allow you to make sure you're getting a good, clean edit. While recording, start testing the sound with the mic placed 8 to 12 inches away from the talent's mouth and adjust it as needed from there. Once you have the mic placement set, put a music stand in front of the speaker. This will help keep the speaker at the same distance from the mic throughout the recording. The music stand will also give them the ability to slide their papers versus turning or flipping them, which would cause rustling. The location you're recording in should be quiet and echo-free. It's important to remember that you or your talent will not be talking, but speaking. Think about how vocally animated radio commercials are. This is similar to what you're aiming for. Since you're not able to rely on your body language, you have to convey your excitement, seriousness, happiness, or whatever emotion strictly through your voice. Having someone else listen to the voiceover and receiving their unbiased opinion will let you know whether or not you were able to achieve this. Keep in mind, voiceovers are rarely a one-and-done type of thing. You may have a lot of trial and error, but with some finessing, you'll be able to put together a voiceover you'll be proud of.